Welcome to Kindergarten Math for the 2025-2026 school year. This video serves as an introduction to Module 1. In this module, students will focus on numbers up to 10. Students will begin to reason about matching pairs of objects. They will be working with identical characteristics as well as differences in the items they are pairing. Students will count, read, and write up to number 10. As students count, they will learn to represent these quantities. They will also compose and decompose numbers using pictures and objects to make the part-to-whole connections. Students will use their understanding of relationships to recognize what quantity would be one greater and one less. Module 1 consists of 8 topics and includes a total of 37 lessons. There will also be a mid-module assessment as well as an end-of-module assessment. The standards addressed in Module 1 include students will count forward and backward to at least 20 with and without objects. They will read, write, and represent whole numbers from 0 to at least 20 with and without objects or pictures. They will count a set of objects up to at least 20 and demonstrate that the last number said tells the number of objects in the set regardless of their arrangement or order. They will recognize instantly the quantity of a small group of objects in organized and random arrangements. They will generate a set using concrete and pictorial models that represent a number that is more than, less than, and equal to a given number up to 20. They will generate a number that is one more than or one less than another number up to at least 20. They will compose and decompose numbers up to 10 with objects and pictures. They will collect, sort, and organize data into 2 or 3 categories. Below is a list of the 8 topics that the students will focus on. In Topic A, students will begin by reasoning about matching pairs of objects. In Topic B, students will continue the process of classifying and sorting groups of objects into categories. In Topic C, students will focus on counting groups of objects up to 5 to reinforce the understanding that the last number names the number of objects counted. In Topic D, students will have the opportunity to write numbers 0 through 5. Students will also be able to order numbers in relation to a counting sequence. In Topic E, students will work with numbers 6 to 8. Students will count larger numbers by having them count 6 out of the larger set. Topic F, students will organize and count varied objects. Numbers will get more complex as the numbers get bigger. Students will practice writing numbers 9 through 10 correctly. In Topic G, students will begin to understand that each successive number name refers to a quantity that is one greater. Students will arrange, analyze, and draw one more up to 10. In Topic H, students will experience intensive work with story problems on an abstract level. Students will learn methods of subtraction that involve subtracting 0 and 1, subtracting the whole number, and subtracting one less within 10. Here is a list of supplies necessary for the first module, which consists of items such as manipulatives like counters, making cubes. You would also need a rec and rec, lesson templates such as hundreds chart, part whole mat, dry erase boards, concrete materials for counting and sorting such as cotton balls, paper clips, beads, buttons, etc. You can access a detailed listing of the supplies required for each lesson in the teacher's guide. Here is a compilation of vocabulary words introduced in the first module. These terms are also available in your teacher's guide along with every lesson. Additionally, some of these words from this list will act as resources you will use throughout this module. Here are a few important notes for the following topics. For Topic A, combine lessons 1 and 2. For Topic D, for lessons 14 and 16, you should begin the problem sets with manipulatives before completing them on paper. And for Topic H, omit lesson 37. In Module 1, there are 2 assessments. The mid-module assessment will take place after Topic D, and may be given in small groups specifically to students who haven't demonstrated mastery of the skills. The end of module assessment will be administered after topic H, and like the mid-module assessment, it can also be administered in small groups for those students who are struggling to show mastery of the skills. This reviews the concepts presented in the Module 1. Thank you for all your hard work and for your continued dedication to our students.